Next up, Saboteur for Modern Warfare 3 Zombies Tier 3. In this, we need to complete an Aether Extractor Contract, kill 15 Mercenaries, guard in the extract, shoot down a reinforcement helicopter, and finally, extract with the Uncommon Aether Tool Plans. It's this little rocket mission over here. I'll simply mark it and head straight towards this. This is a mission that's possible to do solo, but it's far easier to do this with teammates, and of course, as you'll be shooting down a helicopter, probably a very powerful LMG, or of course, maybe some kind of rocket launcher. I have a knife and an assault rifle, so I'm not too overpowered, but maybe we can do something with this. There we go. So it calls in a few of these little rockets here. We need to navigate towards them, and we'll be capturing each one of these. Oh, and not to mention, they have some guards around them. Right, so we'll hold the button here to overload it, and boop, just like that, we've now done one of 3. You need to get away before it explodes. Sweet. Let's get our way over to the next one and do that one too. Oh, and also not to mention the helicopter is here. It's flying around above me. I don't quite know how I'll get rid of that, but I assume just with a bit of time. As for killing 15 Guardians, I don't think there's so many, but we'll do the last one, and I think the helicopter might just fly away. I hope not. Let's see if we can get rid of it. Oh, and an LMG, just what I need. Yep, oh, helicopter's out of here. Okay, maybe these guards will count as well. They should, right? I mean, they were guarding it to begin with. I'll take what I can get. Oh, and we've done. Complete an Aether contract, kill 15 mercenaries. Now we just need to shoot down a reinforcement helicopter and Exfil with the Uncommon Aether Tool Plans. I don't think I picked up plans, did I? Okay, well, maybe we need to do another one then. Interesting. All right, well, I'll mark another one. We can do one more. There's another one all the way over here. I'd prefer to do it in level 1 zones rather than level 2 zones, so I think they'll be a lot easier if I do them elsewhere. I'm pretty sure it does kind of scale, at least somewhat. Oh, there's one even closer. Let's go straight for it, and this time we'll be doing nothing but targeting the helicopter. So just keep in mind that if you do these missions, you'll probably want to get rid of the helicopter before destroying the third one. There we go. I think there's probably 3 of them coming in, and there's the helicopter we need to get rid of. Cool. Is that a reinforcement chopper? Yeah, it is. Okay, I don't really know how I'll get rid of these actually. Maybe a pack-a-punched weapon? Or even a rocket launcher. There is one flying in here. Maybe we can get rid of this one. It's having a bit of a not good time. Oh, there we go. Wasn't too bad. Only took 100-ish bullets, and we have done that, yeah. So now all that's left to do is to pick up those Uncommon Aether Plans and extract with them. As for where they'll be, I think they'll just be inside of that last one that we destroyed, the little loot box / orb thing. Right, so let's do this one, and we'll head across to the final one now. There we go. We have a reward here. Let's see if we have the item inside. Yeah, we do. Uncommon Aether Plans. Now all that's left to do is to extract with these on us. So let's find the closest extraction point and make our way over there. Obviously, if you were to die with these plans on you or accidentally sell them / drop them, seems like we can't sell them, they don't have value, that's good at least, then you'll have to redo the whole thing from scratch pretty much, doing another one of these missions until you eventually get another one of these. They are uncommon, so I'm not too sure of the drop rate, but for me, it took 2 of these little quests in order to get one of the items. There we go. So we'll hop on this, and with our item on us, we'll head out, and that should pretty much be it. Sweet. Anyways, that's really it. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.